Welcome to my channel Techify with Adil. So today in this video we will be discussing about the Microsoft cost management tool. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share my videos. You can watch all the Azure topics under my playlist Azure Fundamentals. If you would like to do certifications, will be very helpful, or if you want to gain knowledge on Azure Fundamentals, you can watch all my videos as well. Okay, let us move on to the video now. So Microsoft Azure is a global cloud provider, meaning you can provision resources anywhere in the world. So you can provision resources rapidly to meet a sudden demand or to test out a new feature or an accident. So you accidentally provision new resources, you may not be aware of them until it's time for your invoice. So cost management is a service that helps avoid those situations. So what is cost management? So the cost management provides ability to quickly check Azure resources costs, create alerts based on resources spent, and create budget that can be used to automate management of resources. Cost analysis is a subset of cost management that provides a quick visual of your Azure cost. So using cost analysis, you can quickly view the total cost in a variety of different ways, including billing cycle, region, resource, and so on. So use cost analysis to explore and analyze your organizational cost. You can view aggregated costs by organizations to understand where the costs are accrued and to identify spending trends. And you can see accumulated costs over time to estimate monthly, quarterly, and even yearly cost trends against the budget. So cost alerts provide a single location to quickly check on all the different alert types that may show up in the cost management service. The three types of alerts that may show up are budget alert, credit alert, department spending quota alert. So we see what is budget alert. So budget alert notify you when spending based on usage or cost reaches or exceeds the amount defined in the alert condition of the budget. Cost management budgets are created by using Azure Portal or Azure Consumption API. The Azure Portal budgets are defined by cost. Budgets are defined by cost or by consumption usage when using the Azure Consumption API. Budget alerts support both cost-based and usage-based budgets. So you can set the limit either cost-based, like say example after $500 you need to create an alert, or the usage base, like when the resource is used to a certain limit, then it creates an alert. Budget alerts are generated automatically whenever the budget alert conditions are met. You can view all the cost alerts in the Azure portal. Whenever an alert is generated, it appears in cost alerts. An alert email is also sent to the people in the alert recipients list of the budget. Next will be the credit alert. So credit alert notify you when your Azure credit monetary commitments are consumed. So monetary commitments are for organizations with enterprise agreements. Credit alerts are generated automatically at 90% and 100% of your Azure credit balance. Whenever an alert is generated, it reflects in cost alert and in the email sent to the account owners. So spending quota alerts. Department spending quota alerts notify when the department spending reaches a fixed threshold of the quota. Spending quotas are configured in the EA portal. Whenever threshold is met, it generates an email to the department owners and appears in cost alerts. For example, 50% to or 75% of the quota is of the quota. So budgets. A budget is where you set a spending limit for Azure. So you can set budgets based on subscription or resource group or service type or other criteria. When you set a budget, you will also set a budget alert. When the budget hits the budget alert level, it triggers a budget alert that shows up in the cost alerts area. If configured, budget alerts will also send an email notification that a budget alert threshold has been triggered. A more advanced use of budgets enables budget conditions to trigger automation that suspends or otherwise modifies the resource once the trigger condition has occurred.